This is rice cake called 가래떡. Korean use this rice cake to make a lot of dishes like 떡국, 떡볶이, you name it. First things first, get a rice flour, add a tablespoon of salt, add water little by little and mix it with your hand. So if you can do like this, the water is perfect. I bought this bamboo steamer for the rice cake today. Hahaha. And put the cheesecloth on the bottom of here like this. I use this strainer to sprinkle this rice flour on the top of the steamer. Just for the rice cake, you don't really have to do this. This is too much work. Just chuck him in. That should be fine. Put some water on the wok and bring this steamer on the top of it. You know, I made a mistake here. Check it out. Alright, put him on the high heat. And I'm gonna steam it for 20 minutes. Okay, set the timer and wait. Alright, 20 minutes passed. Ooh, look at this. And wait, I felt something wrong. It doesn't look sticky at all. That's weird. Let me have a look. This one doesn't look right. So I put some sesame oil on the floor. Damn it! It's too dry. Look at this. This one seems not cooking up. So you know what I did? I steam it in the pot again. Making rice cake is not easy. Anyways, I steamed it 10 more minutes. Okay, this one looks much better now. You should wear gloves in the latex, it's still very hot. My first mistake was this bamboo steamer is way too big. This one is not sitting on my wok properly. And that's why it didn't steam it well. Damn, I bought the wrong one. Should I go refund it? Anyways, knead the dough for about 15 minutes. I know homemade rice cake is really good, but this is really hard work. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it again. Anyway, this one looks good. See? Now divide this giant rice ball into the decent size and roll up this one with your palm. Ta-da! Ooh, very soft. I made 4 of them and put some sesame oil not to stick together. Wrap it up and wait until tomorrow. Good morning, guys! Oh, this looks perfect. It become hard 12 hours after. Looks absolutely ready to go. So I want to cut it into 100 ml, and that size is good for the rice skewer. Alright, put the pan into the medium heat. Add a generous amount of oil, like a half cup. And I cut these bamboo sticks into the right size. And bring the rice cake into the pan and fry it. Don't forget to cook on top and bottom. The weather gets better today. Look at that. Nice. So if you can poke through with the chopstick, that means it's ready. Okay? So put the bamboo sticks in. Whoa, very crispy. Alright, let's make some sauce. I'm gonna use the same pan, just wanna reduce the oil a little bit. Add a tablespoon of sugar. Half tablespoon of gochugaru, I mean chili powder. And half tablespoon of gochujang. Add a little bit of water, just a little bit. Woohoo, pan still hot. I love cast iron. 2.5 tablespoon of corn syrup. Last tablespoon of ketchup. Fry this sauce on the low heat shortly. Turn off the heat and put the sauce on the skewers. Almost ready. Bring on the dish. Put more sauce if you want. I want to put some peanuts on here. These peanuts make this flavor perfect. I want to put even more sauce. Okay, 다 됐다. Let me have a bite. Oh my god, this is so crunchy and soft inside. Beautiful. I'm gonna make a tteokbokki with these guys later, so I'll just keep it in the freezer. Just chuck him in. That's it. Oh, look at that. My kitchen is so mess. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye bye.
벌써 다 했어?
응.
했네. 색깔인데 약간 까맣게 됐네.
간장이 들어가서.
너무 재밌는데? 아,